How to turn off vibration on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open the settings on your Android device. Now, if you want to turn off the vibration on your Android, then tap on the option of sounds and vibration. Here you have three different options: sound, vibrate, and mute. If you set it on sound, then you will be receiving sounds for ringtones and notifications. If you do not want the sound, you can simply put it on vibration mode. Now your phone will vibrate whenever you receive a call or a notification. If you do not want sound or vibration whenever you receive a call or notifications, then you can tap on the mute option. Now you won't be receiving any calls or vibration when you're on mute. Now, if you put it on sound as well, when you receive a call, you get the ringtone with the vibration. If you only want the ringtone and not the vibration, tap on the option of call vibration. Then you have the option of silent. Tap on that. Now, whenever you receive a call, you will only receive the ringtone and not the vibration. Same goes for notification. Tap on the notification vibration option. To turn it off, tap on the silent option, and this is how you can turn off vibration on Android. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.